Want to have a conversation with your computer? Well, in this explainer, we're doing just that with Python.
Okay, so let's get right into it. How do you actually talk to a computer, and how does it talk back?
To make our program speak, we use a super simple command. It's called the print function.
So this is what the basic command looks like. Those parentheses, that's where the magic happens.
And here's the cool part. Whatever text you put inside those quotes gets displayed exactly as is. And there it is. The program has just spoken its first words. See? Simple, right? Speaking is one thing, but a real conversation means listening too. For that, Python uses the input function. You can even give the user little prompts so they know exactly what you're asking for.
It's a pretty clear flow, right? The program asks, it waits, and then it grabs the user's reply.
All right, so the real magic happens when we combine these two. Let's build an actual dialogue.
So we start by asking the user for their name, just like we saw before. The program is now listening.
But hang on, how does the program actually remember what you typed? It has to store that answer. And then it uses the print function to combine hello with the name it just learned.
And here's the whole thing in action. The code on the left creates the entire conversation on the right. So let's recap. Print lets the program talk. Input lets it listen. Simple as that.
But this brings up a really good question. How does a program actually remember stuff for later?
The answer? Variables and data types. And that's exactly what we'll get into in our next explainer.